If you're posting content, but it feels like nobody is really seeing it, this is why that's happening. A lot of entrepreneurs are showing up. They're posting. They're trying to stay consistent, but it feels like no views, no engagement, and no real attention. And it starts to feel like, am I doing something wrong? The problem is not that people don't want your content. The problem is your content is not clear enough to stop them. Think about how people scroll. They move fast. They're not reading everything. They're not stopping for very long. So if your content is not clear right away, they're going to pass it, even if it looks good. Attention comes from clarity, not complexity. So let me show you how to fix this. Say what it is right away. Don't make people guess. Start with something clear, what this is about, who this is for. Now people understand fast. And when they understand, they're going to stop. Also focus on one problem. Don't try to say too much. Just focus on one thing. One problem, one idea. Now it's easier to follow. Keep your words simple. If your content feels complicated, people won't stay. Simple words connect a lot faster. Also think about what your viewer needs, not just what you want to say. What does my customer actually need help with right now? That's what creates attention. Use your content to actually lead into your live shows. Your content should not just stop at posting. It should actually lead somewhere. And one of the best places it can lead is your live content, because that's where deeper attention can happen. So if your content isn't getting attention, here's what's really happening. It's not clear fast enough, and it's trying to say too much. And it's also probably not focused enough. But the good news is that you don't need better content. You just need to be clearer with it. So if this helped you, make sure you subscribe to the channel, friend, so that you don't miss the next episode. I truly appreciate your support. Thank you for being here and for watching. All right, friend, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, then like and subscribe to support Brand Impact 365 with LaMorvielle. And if you are struggling with your brand impact, then watch the next video.